To myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop.
Hey y'all, first haul after my vacation, back at the house, and I just had to replenish some things. Like we had milk, but it's out of date. I got me some croutons, so I'm gonna get back on my salads. I got me some brown sugar to go on my ham. I got a ham while I was in Houston from Kroger there. They were 97 cents a pound. The sugar there too. And so I got Jiffy cornbread mixes, 37 cents this week. I got 4. I'll probably get some more before that sale ends. Sweet potatoes, I told her to give me 2. I did a pick up 3. She gave me 2. I got extra large eggs. I always get the extra large. I like my eggs kind of big. Sour cream because I'm doing the ham. A little cornbread dressing. Mac and cheese. Sweet potatoes. And sweet peas. I got onion. This onion $1.77 this week, which is good. We're feeding next Saturday, so I need to get the stuff for the feeding. I got garlic, fresh garlic. I got the sour cream. I found last time I did sour cream with my mac and cheese, I didn't have cream cheese, and the sour cream made it cheesy and good. The Bardens this week $1.97, and I needed my son needed cheese for his sandwiches, so these were $1.97. You can get 5, and that's what I did. I got this cheese for this week, and I also got this to go on the this is for the mac and cheese. I usually get the Kraft. I don't really like Barden cheese, to be honest, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it this time because it was on sale. I got the Oscar Mayer wieners. They were on sale for $2. They didn't have the corn kits cornbread mix, and they probably had it in the store, but the guy when I did a pickup, he went and got me this, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Never made it with that. I'm gonna see. I got sweet pickle relish. I was out. I got the recharge dressing mix. Y'all know that's what I make my cornbread dressing with. Y'all, this was $3.34 at Walmart, $4.98 at the other store. I got my celery. A guy was telling me I needed celery. I hardly ever use celery except for to make chicken salads, gumbo, dressing, stuff like that. But I don't use celery. I really don't. I got me some camellia beans. I got the red kidney and the black eye. I meant to get I didn't mean to get back a black eye peas. Oh, I can always use them. I got my 3 things of sweet peas. Y'all, I like the LeSueur, but they were $2 each. I was like, nah, this ain't Thanksgiving. I got bell pepper right now. They're 2 for $1. I got my green onion. I got my Thousand Island dressing for when I do my salads. I left some salad here, but it went bad. It froze. My daughter said I got some hot dog buns. We were going to do hot dogs, but I decided not to cook today. And I got wheat bread. And all of this, I can't remember how much it was. I got some things from Walmart and some things from Brookshire'S. So, but anyway, y'all be blessed. My daughter was just telling me that there was an incident where Trump appeared to have been shot and said he got up fist bumping her. So I don't know. I hadn't seen it, but I pray he's okay. Okay? All right, y'all. Y'all be blessed. Talk to y'all later. Much love. Bye. Happy Monday, y'all. This is my first day back to week. This is my first day back to work. I was on vacation from the 1st of July to the 12th. And so I used 3 days one week because we were off Thursday and Friday, 4th of July week. And then all last week. Well, my trip ended up being longer than we expected. I drove to Houston and flew out from Houston to San Diego. And on the way back, we were supposed to come back that Monday, but that's when they had Burl. And so we weren't able to come back until the Tuesday night. But they flew us to Vegas, so we didn't leave out till Wednesday morning. And I didn't get back home until Thursday evening. So I didn't go back to work Friday. I went back today. And y'all, I enjoyed myself. I love San Diego. The weather was just, I'm telling y'all, at night you could wear a little light jacket. It's cool. Very nice. I love the weather. So while we also went to Moreno Valley, we went to LA. We stayed in Riverside. I met, not met, 4th of July in Moreno Valley. They had a fire in the mountains, and then couldn't come home Monday because there was flooding in Houston. I said, so we've been through all types of nature weather situations, but thank God we made it back safely. So I just did a little pickup at Sam's. Didn't get very much. I still haven't gotten a freezer yet, and so my refrigerator freezer is already full. But anyway, I love this key lime pie from Sam's. If you haven't tried it, try it. It's very, very good. Very, very good. It's rich though. I got me some Amanda sausages. I want to try this recipe that my niece did, and I'll share it with y'all. I got me some lemons from Sam's. They had the chicken wings $1.97, so it was an $8 pack. They had these cooked shrimp. They cooked. I really didn't want to cook, but I was like, you know what? I'll go ahead and get them and just add them lastly to this dish I'm going to make. Here's my cabbage. I got me some peaches. I got my apples and my peanuts for the week. I didn't go and get it yesterday. And I got the Jiffy cornbread mix for 37 cents. So I got some more of them and my son's Honey Nut Cheerios. And that's all I actually got to. Oh, and I got him. Y'all, this salami was $3.98, but the beef salami was $7.98. I'm like, for $7.98, I buy a steak. I'm not paying that much for no lunch, a pound of that type of meat. But yeah, everything is just high. But you know, thank God for provision, and we don't want to be wasteful. And so, whew, it's rough night right now. It is. All right, y'all be blessed. I'll talk to y'all later. Much love. Bye.